Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can use a constructor function to create an object in JavaScript. In the previous video we learned how we can use a factory function to create an object as we done here. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to say function and the function name, for example, person. Now, if you notice, I included the first letter in capital letters. But in this factory function, you can notice the first letter is starting with simple letters, and after that, all words starting with capital letters. The first letter is capital. Okay, this is camel notation, and here what we use is Pascal notation. That means all words starting with capital letters. For example, person, save. As you can see, P is capital and S is capital. Okay. Now, we have to include parentheses and braces. In the braces, we can create the empty object structure. Okay, now let's comment this factory function out. And in this person function, we need some arguments like name and the age. And we can say this dot name is equals to name and this dot age is equals to age. Now what happened with this keyword is when we are creating a new object, new empty object using this code, this refer the current empty object and we are getting the ability to access its properties. And for example, we can read those properties and set values for those properties. And okay. And the next step is we can also create a function. We can say this dot save, set that equals to a function. Actually, when we are creating a function inside a object, that function named as a method and finally braces. In the braces, we can say console.log parentheses and some message like person saved. Alright, now we can go ahead and create our object. Below, I can say constant and the name like person1, set that equals to, now we are saying new. The new keyword is used when we are creating an object using a constructor function. Okay. Now we have to say person. In the parentheses, we have to pass in the name and the age. Alright. Finally semicolon. Now when we are creating an object using a factory function, we are not using this new keyword. But when we are creating object using a constructor function, we are using the new keyword. And that's kind of a difference between these two. And also here we are not using the return keyword. Instead we are using this keyword to state the current empty object. Okay. And also we can say person1 save. Also we can console.log the person name person1 and dot notation name. Let's go ahead and run this using the terminal. I'm using Node and the file name index.js. Now we can see person saved and Ashin has printed. Okay, let's see what's happening here. When we use this new operator, it have ability to create a new empty object of this one. And secondly, it will set these properties came with this keyword. Finally, it will return the object to this variable or constant. Okay. I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.